Hello, I'm Michael Jumpo, the Deputy Principal of African Leadership Academy. I've been involved to some extent with scientific research. I think it's a fantastic program, especially for the kids who are so interested in pursuing science as a career. It's a great ground for developing skills in terms of scientific research, reading, analyzing scientific text, and making sense out of scientific text, plus actually putting together one's own ideas and developing one's ideas around scientific concepts. I think it's a fantastic course to take, and hopefully our kids continue to learn as much as they should in this course. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mulberry. This year I took a scientific research class with Mr. Scott, and it was one of the most amazing classes I took in ALA. The exciting part was I was able to explore a field that I'm really interested in. I didn't know what specifically I wanted to research on, but I was intrigued by the fact that KwaZulu-Natal being the province with the highest HIV epidemic in South Africa, had a very funny scenario whereby there were increasing number of condoms being distributed to the public by the government, and also increasing numbers of HIV infection among young people between ages 20 and 29 years old. And so I spent for the past 6 months looking into this, and at the end of the day I was able to come up with a research paper which I will be sharing with you at the end of the day. But most importantly, I was able to explore a side that I've never had interest in, which is climate change, which I found so fascinating, and I encourage most of you to take scientific research next year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ola, and I studied the science of love in scientific research this year. And one thing I loved about scientific research was working with my group, because I was with Mr. Tago, and I learned so much. I learned about physics and chemistry, things I wanted to learn before, antimatter, nanotechnology, teleportation, and I just really loved my group because everybody was fun, and we learned a lot of stuff together, and yeah.
My name is Victor Ricotto, and I studied speech emotional analysis, which means basically to recognize emotions in speech. And one of the best things that I've enjoyed in the scientific research class is to review papers, and in that process you also get to learn a lot. For instance, I learned a lot about happiness, M theory, and green energy.